If your home or business has natural stone that has become damaged or lost its elegant appearance with traffic and use, there is good news. Natural stone can be made to look like new with professional stone restoration, the high-tech process of restoring worn or damaged stone. Although janitorial and cleaning companies provide a valuable service to home and business owners, it is very rare that such companies keep properly equipped and professionally trained stone restoration technicians on their payroll. Skill and craftsmanship is required to successfully restore natural stone. Our trained professional technicians have the knowledge and experience to assess each situation and resolve virtually any problem they encounter, using a variety of specialized tools, stone-safe cleaning solutions, and appropriate restoration methods. Be wary of companies who offer too good to be true prices. The cheap, temporary results may do more harm than good and sometimes even result in permanent damage. Entrust your valuable investment to us. We have a proven track record of excellent service and high-quality results. Feel free to contact us to request an estimate for your home or business.